With extensive experience in the business of security, Secure One Security understands the time demands on commercial and residential managers. We understand the difficulty of coordinating multiple vendors, minimizing a range of problematic issues, and simultaneously ensuring that tenants or residents are satisfied. Doing this all under the constant pressure of maintaining occupancy percentages, outperforming your market, and exceeding budget expectations. We have a real-time reporting management tool that will not only save you significant time, but also save time for your entire leasing and maintenance team. With Secure One Security as a partner, you are able to outperform the market, exceed budgeted goals, maximize your net operating income, and focus on leasing and retaining residents, all while having a clear perspective on your community. When those capital inspections take place, you will be prepared. We will assist you and your maintenance team with loose handrails, raised curves, loose stair treads, light checks, graffiti, patio violations, and all other preventive maintenance issues that arise each and every day. We utilize state-of-the-art technology that includes a web-based mobile reporting tool allowing you to view all reported service issues in real time. Our courtesy patrol officers detail and save resident service complaints, building a unit history with date and time-stamped photos which support daily management decisions. We offer a full-service 24-hour parking management program that blueprints space management by resident and guest vehicles in real time without physical parking permits. We implement a parking management program from conception to implementation with little or no effort on your behalf. You have a complete parking book including resident, prospective, and visitor parking, updated in real time 24/7. Our program of educating and informing residents and tenants about parking and security creates a safer, less intrusive living environment for everyone. Working together with us as your service partner will help your leasing teams maintain a steady turn and reduce liability. Secure One Security is the industry expert in parking management and residential and commercial security. We realize the importance of both honoring the needs of your residents and getting the job done right the first time. So, give us a call today and find out how Secure One Security can save you multiple impact dollars now.